All right, everyone. The first one is Jen with a really inspiring story about how she became a self-taught cloud engineer. But first, it all started with her time, or the lack of time, as being a mom.
Hi, I'm Jen Magruder, and we're here to talk about how a stay-at-home mom became a self-taught cloud engineer. I live in the Northern Virginia area. I'm a mother to 2 children, a teenager who's taller than me now, and I have a 4-year-old who has problems sleeping.
Thank you.
Actually,
I first learned about the DevOps concepts and position. I learned Linux in the terminal. I picked Python as my programming language, and I did the AWS Skill Builder, 10 free labs, and then I went to AWS free tier to help me learn to study for my AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification. And now I'm an AWS Community Builder.
but Jen, you say AWS Community Builder, but what exactly is that?
It is a very welcoming community. With tons of benefits. And honestly, I would say that the best thing about it is the people. And it's so inspiring and welcoming.
Which makes sense because we're all here in the AWS developer community zone.
Now, the DC job market is very clearance heavy, and all the good jobs disappear really fast while I'm job searching during nap time. As a stay-at-home mom, I have to carve out time to build, study, and job search during nap time, after bedtime, or during whatever life throws at me. This is the solution. I built a serverless job search alert system. It searches Google Jobs via SERP API. It filters by location, clears out clearance, senior roles and intern roles, and I get it emailed to myself twice a day. It's absolutely free on AWS free tier. It saves hours a day. I was like, where'd you go? AWS Event Bridge fires at 7 a.m. and 3 p.m. It triggers the Lambda function that sends the job list to Dynamo, or it calls the SERP API to send the list to DynamoDB to deduplicate the jobs so you don't get sent the same job twice. Then that sends the published job list to SNS, which then lands straight in my inbox. I built all of that on AWS CloudFormation. Now, AWS CloudFormation is AWS native infrastructure as code, and it takes 30 seconds to deploy each stack.
I mean, you talked about how much time you don't have, so that 30 seconds given back to you every single time now.
Yes, saving so much time. It's great. This is the filters. It shows exclude clearances. You can put in any keywords you want, acceptable areas, legitimate job platforms I have, and I have block platforms where it requires a login like clearancejobs.com. Now this is the job or the CloudWatch logs. It shows the Lambda function searching via SERP API. It shows you that it pulled 30 jobs and that it rejected them per the filters, like clearance required, rejected, clearance required, and so on. This is what lands in my inbox. Job title, company, city, when it was posted, and the link. And at the bottom it shows you how many jobs it found and how many it sent you. Now, the SNS confirmation email went to my spam folder, and you have to confirm it or it won't work. I started with 0 filters to see what the data was. I had an error because I didn't name my IAM role. And EventBridge runs in UTC, so it comes in an hour later. And job titles are inconsistent, so it's always evolving.
Now, Jen, this is all built just for you, but everyone here probably wants to use it as well.
Yes.
So what's next?
multi-user authentication with Amazon Cognito, React front-end so you don't have to know code to use it, expanding the search beyond Northern Virginia, and open source.
Quick show of hands, who likes open source? Yeah, there you go.
Thank you so much. I'm Jen Magruder. Scan the QR code for more technical documentation and to connect with me on LinkedIn.
Now this first QR code on the left-hand side is for Jen, so you can connect with her. The second QR code, don't scan that yet because we have 2 more sessions. That one QR code for the developer demo session is for all 3. So stay tuned because up next we have Heroku. Jen, thank you so much. Round of applause, everyone.
Thank you.